the Magic Grain, a short moral story. Abby was a pigeon who loved to relax. She lived in a peaceful village surrounded by paddy rice fields. She loved to spend her days sitting on a wooden fence, watching the world go by. One day, Abby noticed something shiny on the ground. It was a grain of special rice that sparkled in the sunlight. The special rice spoke to Abby. "Plant me, and I will grow into a plant that gives rice forever." But Abby was lazy. She flew back to her favorite spot on the fence. The farm animals found the rice. They worked together to plant it in the field. Soon, the grain grew into a magical rice plant. It produced endless rice. The animals shared the rice with everyone who helped care for it. Abby felt hungry and flew down to the plant. She wanted some rice, but realized it was only for those who had helped it grow. She had done nothing. Abby watched the happy animals. She regretted not working earlier. Moral: rewards only come to those who work hard. Thank you for watching.